I'm so happy for the opportunity to show you this. So that is my front yard. If it'll only focus. Hold on. There we go. So, neighbor's mailbox. All right. And this generally fills up and forms a canal, stream, mini river, as you can see right here. Goes all the way down. I'm gonna take you guys all the way to the end. I'm gonna attempt to. And in here is where I run into issues. As you can see, the water is settling. All right. Now, let's go on the other side. Got to go around. So again, as you can see here, it's going right towards the pool area. I'm kind of making this video from my own records also. See, there's about 6 inches of water here. So I get that drained out to go out this side. I'm glad I have the plastic over the sand so it doesn't wash away. And then this is what I really wanted to show you. About 3 inches of water coming from the neighbor section, where the greenhouse is supposed to go. All that. For some reason, it didn't collect on the back like it usually does. Usually where that gray pipe is, from that PVC pipe all the way over, is usually full. But for some reason, it's sitting over by the greenhouse, which tells me that's where I'm gonna put all my vegetable beds, on the outside. They'll stay watered. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys what I deal with. Having a driveway raised is gonna be a must. Ain't no getting away from that.